Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. That's how you drink coffee. Yay! Hi guys, so since iabot na pod ko, so trip na pod na ako mag voice over. So hey! So welcome to my mini vlog. So when in Melbourne, isa sa mga must place to visit is the Lune Croissant. So this Lune Croissant, they offer variety of croissant, mga bread like that, then mga coffee. So every day they bake their coffee in their shop talaga, in their location. So if you can see, ang dami talagang taon na pumupunta dito guys. So talaga siya pinipilahan. So kami, since andun na kami, tapos recommendation ng friends, so pumunta kami doon, nag-try. So actually medyo pricey pala yung mga croissant nila, pero guys, super worth it kasi sobrang sarap, sobrang tender, sobrang soft, sobrang basta, grabe ang sarap. So yan, so yun, pumunta kami doon. So yan, nakita yung mga pila ng mga tao, lakad-lakad ako, tapos pa-cute-cute, tapos pose kasi tapos na. Yay! So bloopers di ay. Bye!